Are you looking for easy, realistic ways to earn money online? Have you been hearing all the recent buzz about AI-driven side hustles? The honest truth is, you don't need any special technical background or coding skills to start building a real income with artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to break down a straightforward, step-by-step system that absolutely anyone can replicate from home. First, you need to select a high-demand service to offer. A great option to start with is automated email writing. Local businesses constantly need fresh, engaging text for their weekly marketing campaigns, but they rarely have the time to do it themselves. Next, we are going to open up a powerful tool to handle all the heavy lifting for us, ChatGPT. By using specific prompt blueprints, this advanced AI will generate high-quality, professional marketing copy in a matter of seconds. It gives you the power to provide instant, agency-level value to businesses without spending hours writing drafts. Now you are ready for the outreach phase. Start searching online for local service providers, like plumbers, landscapers, or cafes, and send them free, custom email samples to show them what you can do. Most of them might not reply right away, and that is completely fine. But consistency always wins. Eventually, one business owner will respond positively, and that single reply can easily turn into your very first paying monthly client. The ultimate secret to success here is to keep your workflow simple. Don't overthink the setup or overcomplicate the process. Just pick a basic writing service, leverage the raw power of ChatGPT, and start reaching out to local clients today. If you want more step-by-step AI automation frameworks just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the AI Arbitrage.